Welcome to this explainer. Let's jump right in, because today we are breaking down a literal game changer for anyone with a sweet tooth. We're going to take some of the simplest everyday household items and transform them into a bakery-level treat that actually prioritizes your nutrition.
Look, we've all been there, right? You're craving something incredibly decadent, but you absolutely dread the sugar crash. And you want to stay on track with your health goals. Usually you have to choose one or the other. But the source material we're diving into today offers a brilliant workaround, a dessert that entirely satisfies that craving while actually fueling your body.
Now the secret here boils down to the number 3. That's it. Literally just 3 ingredients are needed for this completely guilt-free solution. No complex thickeners, no weird artificial sweeteners, and definitely no strange flours. The true genius of this recipe is just how astonishingly simple it is.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the magic 3 ingredients.
So here is your beautifully short grocery list. We are talking eggs, sugar-free dark chocolate, and a high-protein yogurt. You'll want a thick Greek or Skyr style with absolutely no added sugar. When you put these 3 together, they deliver the absolute perfect balance of healthy fats, rich cocoa, and high-quality protein. To get this exactly right, let's break down the measurements. You're going to need 4 eggs, then 400 grams of sugar-free dark chocolate in total, which for context is about 2 cups or just over 14 ounces. And finally, 310 grams of that high-protein yogurt, so roughly a cup and a quarter. Keep these numbers handy because getting that balance right before you start is everything.
Moving right along to Section 2, preparing the chocolate base.
Okay, time to get our hands dirty in the kitchen. First up, separate your 4 eggs and whip those whites until they form a really thick foam. Then, take exactly half of your chocolate, that's 200 grams, chop it up and melt it gently over some hot water. Once it is perfectly smooth and glossy, just stir those 4 egg yolks straight into the warm chocolate.
Now, pay close attention here, because this is the make or break moment. You've got to gently fold the egg whites into that dense chocolate mix. Do just half of the whites first, and then delicately fold in the rest. If you rush it, you'll lose all that air you just whipped into the eggs, and we need this base to be incredibly airy and light.
Next, pour that gorgeous, airy batter into an 8 by 8 inch pan. Smooth it out so it's perfectly flat and pop it into the oven. You'll bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 Celsius, for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it comes out, just let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, do not rush the cooling process. It literally sets the entire structure of the dessert.
Next up, Section 3, mixing the protein topping.
This is where the magic really happens. Melt your remaining 200 grams of dark chocolate. Then, you're going to blend that thick, zero-sugar yogurt directly into the warm chocolate. Keep mixing until it is flawlessly smooth. Seriously, it looks exactly like a rich pastry frosting, but it's actually hiding a massive protein boost.
Oh, and here is a fantastic structural trick for you. Take your cooled base, remove it from the original pan, and wedge it tightly into a slightly smaller mold, trimming away any of the uneven excess edges. It's a classic pastry chef secret that guarantees super clean, sharp lines.
Now for the fun part. Pour that dense, protein-packed chocolate yogurt right over the baked base. Smooth it out with a spatula until the top is totally flat. That smooth finish is exactly what gives these bars that high-end, gourmet bakery aesthetic.
Which brings us to Section 4, chilling and serving. So grab the mold, put it in the fridge, and, well, wait. You need to let it chill for 2 to 3 hours. I know, the waiting is absolutely the hardest part, right? But it allows the yogurt and chocolate to fully firm up. Once it's completely set, run a knife around the edges to pop it out of the mold and slice it into beautiful, clean pieces.
Bon appetit. Just think about it. 3 incredibly basic ingredients completely transformed into this rich, decadent treat. It's honestly kind of mind-blowing that there's 0 added sugar in there, and the frosting is literally just protein-rich yogurt and chocolate. Such a clever culinary workaround.
So, what do you think of this recipe? If just 3 everyday ingredients can totally eliminate refined sugar without sacrificing any of that rich, chocolatey taste, well, it kind of makes you wonder, right? What other dietary compromises are we making just out of pure habit? The blueprint is right here in this explainer. Get into the kitchen and see for yourself just how delicious healthy eating can actually be.